keep my hands to myself. No matter how hard I'm trying to, I want you all to myself. Your metaphorical gin and juice. So come on, give me a taste of what it's like to be next to you. Won't let one drop go to.
Okay, this is Alexa's first time doing cookie cutters with her hands, like the real cookie cutter. And she's doing gingerbread, and she's doing, I don't know if she's going to do all gingerbread men or if she's going to do other cookie shapes. So, all right, Alexis, you ready to pull your first one out? Show everybody your first gingerbread. That's her first gingerbread person. What did you name it? You gotta name your first gingerbread person. What's the name?
Duke.
Duke is the first gingerbread person. I'm just observing because I've done this most of my whole life with my mom and just doing it for the boys. So I wanted Alexis to learn. So she's doing a good job. These are her other ones, little gingerbread men she made. Move that out the way so I can see you, Alexis. Oh, she's changing it up. She's doing a gingerbread frosty the snowman. And the Santa Claus gingerbread. You might be able to put something on this side, like if you move those two that over. Get out, Rocky. Alright, I'm gonna get these in the oven and we'll be back in a little.
Hey guys, finally off work. I didn't vlog all day. Oh, and I did check in. It was on lunchtime, so of course, in the middle of my video, babe called me. It's lunchtime, so I talked to her. I am home now. We have started the baking, and just wanted to check in, let you all know that we're baking. So hopefully you'll see it tonight. If not, you'll see it tomorrow. I'll check back in. Good morning, people. It is Vlogmas day 16. We've been vlogging every day for 16 days. Just wanted to check in and say good morning. It is Friday, so happy Friday. And it's also a jean day, so we get to wear jeans today at work. It's also our bi-weekly training, so for 4 hours we have training, and then the phones go live at 12. So that's another make today go by faster today. But just wanted to say happy Friday, and we're not really doing too much today. We did all our baking and everything yesterday and the day before. We put up the tree last night. Tonight, Tawanda will probably just focus on work, and I'll probably focus on our... Hey guys, we are in Walmart, off work finally. Came in here to get some firewood because it is cold outside. I don't like the heat. I don't like the cold. I just don't know. But came in here for firewood and saw all this other stuff we needed. But we said we're going to save that because the Christmas stuff should be going on clearance. So
we can still get a little bit of stuff. A little bit of stuff if you need it to make these new cookies and stuff for your work.
But we're going to... Oh, my video cut off this morning. I said...
See the people, tell them I'm struggling.
This morning I was telling y'all that we didn't have anything planned for today. Someone probably has to get some notes in for work. And I'll work on our door decor. We put up our tree last night. Y'all see that today as well. But now we're just in here getting firewood. We gotta go pick up the boys. They're getting a haircut now. And we got this for us to do Christmas Eve. But we're going to my grandmother's house tomorrow. So we got these to do with her. And excuse me. So that's pretty much it, guys. We're just in Walmart, our other favorite store. Not really doing anything. Hope you guys had a happy Friday. It's the beginning of the weekend, so that should be a good thing. Bay is reading this firewood. I don't know which one we get. We just be picking up wood. You probably need that one up there too. The starter one, isn't it?
Not for these. This is what you said.
Really? You just sound like it. Someone just set on fire. Well, we don't have too much going on. We'll see you guys when we get home and I start the door decor. So we'll be back, guys. Hey people, so we back home. Bae's about to get in the shower.
In the shower.
So we just came to end the vlog. We didn't really do too much today but work.
Wash your butt every day after work. Soap it up, clean it up.
Finish this.
You might make it work.
Really?
Yeah.
We just came to say good night, guys.
Good night, you guys.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I thought she was about to blow a kiss.